Ooh. Ooh. What? Oh yeah.
Them hits don't make no sense.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy G, back at it again with another video. And today we got my pool in the background, so we doing some swimming. Not me, but my boy Sky. My boy Sky is going into the pool today. It's about 65 degrees outside, but he's a husky, so he can swim in cold water. The water shouldn't be too cold. It just got, the pool cleaner just left, like, I don't know, probably 30 minutes ago. So yeah, the pool's clean. But yeah, we about to just, I'm gonna put him on that step right there and just see what happens from that. And then we'll see how fast he gets out the water, if he actually tries to swim or not. And if he actually tries to swim right there, then we're gonna put him right there on the shallow end, just in case I need to jump in. I'm gonna jump in right there, because I'm not really trying to get completely wet, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's see how this goes. Let me get the camera set up. All right, y'all, got the camera set up, so I'm about to try to get Sky into the pool real quick. So let's see how this goes, guys. All right. All right, we're going one more step. I think he saw him swimming. Good. All right, guys. We're about to just say fuck it, and I'm gonna get in here with him, because he actually looked like he was about to start swimming. So let's go ahead and try it, guys. Let's try it. Let's try it. He looked like he was doing his thing. Come here, Sky. Come here. I'm gonna get in with you. It's okay. Yeah. This one's cold. Oh shit. Come here, Sky. Come here. Come here. Come here, Sky. Over here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Over here. Oh. Oh. Oh God. Oh. 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 I'm wet with you, buddy. Relax. We're both cold. Oh. All right, so I gotta, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. That water is freezing, bro. Like cold. Like my legs are fucking hurting. That's how numb they are right now. And where the staircase is to go down into the pool, it's like straight shade right there, so it doesn't get like, I guess it hasn't had sun on it until you get into like this area, and that's already like, I think it's 4 feet on this side, and then it's like 8 or 9 feet down there. But yeah, all right, we're gonna try one more time. I didn't think I was gonna get in the water for this video, but you know, fuck it, guys, I did it for y'all. So make sure y'all hit that like button. If you fuck with me, make sure you hit that sub button. I know it's not a smoking video, but hope y'all fuck with it. Come here, Sky. One last try for y'all. This time I'm gonna hold him while I'm in there. Come this way. Woo! I mean, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If this wasn't on the video, I would be the asshole owner that would just throw him into the middle of the pool. Me and Sky about to go to the dog park. Y'all been asking for some dog videos, so I'm gonna take y'all along with me. And earlier, he went swimming in the pool. That will be included in here, so y'all see it. But yeah, so let's get going. I'll get back to y'all once I'm pulling up to the dog park. All right. What's going on, guys? We out here at the dog park. Just made it. We about to, y'all see the dog park over there. We about to dip our thing. I forgot his toys and his treats. I got the bag on now. But yeah, we going in here right now. Looks like all the dogs is coming for him already. Yeah. Come on, Sky. He loves the dog park. He loves the mud. He loves all that. So you got to see how this shit goes. Alright, y'all. We out here. Dog park style. You see him. He really don't be doing nothing though.
I guess they went all the way down.
But you see him. He just be playing with the bigger dogs, thinking he can do something. Get him, Sky. Yeah. There's what's up, baby? Let's get the walking real quick. Hold up. We're about to walk real fast. We about to go for a little walk around the park. It's actually a pretty big park, you gotta see. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. We better just go for a walk real quick, get some of his energy up. But the thing that's bad about him is he really just like eats everything. Like he tries to eat everything he sees. Like yesterday, I go to the dog park every day. Like ever since he had enough shots to where he can come here and not get sick, I've been bringing him here. So, but yeah, so he just like yesterday he found 2 like of those milk bone treats like underground. Like he dug them up in the sand and then ate them. He found 2 of them in 2 different spots. Like I don't even know how he smelled them. Oh shit! Taking a dookie, a little dirty. Fuck it. I'm not picking that hoe up, so we just, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you're picking your dog shit up. That hoe didn't even look like, that hoe looked like a little sundae. It didn't look like the consistency that I want to pick up, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we just out here. We come out here every day for about 3 hours. Yeah, it sounds like a long time, but if I don't come out here for that long, he's running laps around my room and under my bed and annoying the fuck out of me, and I just want to stab him. Not literally, but literally. Yeah,
Look, a friend.
he's only cute right now until he gets in the mud.
Yeah, he just trampled through it too. I was like, oh no, you're gonna get my car. Thanks.
Charlie.
He doesn't have any white on him anymore after he gets in the mud.
So he's got some Alaskan Husky in him. Huh?
Yeah, he's Husky and Red-Nosed Pit.
Cute.
Thank you.
I
Look,
love his
Charlie,
ears.
being replaced.
Look at that. Look at you. Look. He's got big ears.
Sit. You way too much.
Come on, Sky. Get out of their face.
Sit.
Thank you. Come on.
What I
Let's
say?
go.
Okay,
But yeah, I've trained him pretty well to listen at the dog park. When I first came here, like the first probably a week, I had him on the leash the entire time, just to make sure he would listen to me while he was here. And now he does pretty well, so he can be in a fight or be playing like across the park, and I call him or whistle. He'll come running across the park as fast as he can. Usually pretty good. Watch, we'll let him get a good distance and see if I can get it on camera. I don't think he's gonna keep going though. Come here, Sky. Come here, Sky. Good boy. Sit. Look. Sit. Yes, good boy. Good boy, buddy. Alright. Come on. Let's keep going for this other dog. I don't like that. I don't like this lady's dog over here. That gray brindle looking one. I don't like that dog. It's that lady's dog over there. She's cute though, but I don't like her dog, so I can't even say nothing to her. I can't even associate with her, you know what I'm saying? Do y'all see the dogs? He's trying to play with them. Hey buddy, come here. No, you don't want to say nothing to me? Fine, fuck you. I don't like you anyway. We can't do 2 dogs at the same time. Hey, there we go. The other husky coming in to protect him. Yes, sir. Go Husky gang. Looking out. Come here, bring a toy. Bring a toy. Here, Nancy. Nancy, ready? Look at it. Very good. Bring a toy. Bring a toy, Sky. Come on. No, bring a toy. Over here. Come on. Bring a toy. Bring a toy. Bring a toy. Thank you. Come on. No, we can't take both of them. Let's see what one he goes for. What does he go for both of them? He doesn't know which one to pick. There you go. Bring a toy, Sky. Come on. Bring a toy. There you go. Come on. No. No, not the rock. Bring a toy. Come here. Hey. Come here, Sky. Bring a toy. Bring a toy. Not you. I want your toy. I want your toy. I want your toy, Sky. I want your toy. I want your toy. Damn it, Sky. There he goes. Look at him. Chasing him down. The second that dog starts coming for him, look at him. He's gonna dip. Yeah, I'll dip. Be here for a while, so I'm not gonna record everything we're doing. I might get a couple more clips, but yeah, this is really what he be doing. Just running around, playing with the dogs and shit. Look at him. Bigger dog too, yeah, he gonna be a beast. Look at him. Yeah, he gonna be a beast when he gets big. I promise you that. Well, look at the basketball compared to his size. Alright, come on. Come on, Sky, look. Let's go play it. Come on. Sky. No. We're not digging. Look at the ball. Hey, ball. He loves this basketball for some reason. Come here, give it to me. Give it to me. Come here. Bring the ball here. Go get it. Hey, buddy. Look at you, Sky. Look at you with the ball. There you go, Sky. We're just now leaving the dog park right now. Sky's over here. He's already, you see he's already slumped. It's about 5. I went there at like 3 o'clock. We were there for about a good 2 hours. But he ended up he bit a dog's ankle, a bigger dog, and he ended up getting bit on the ear, so he has a little cut, so I had to leave. I didn't want him to get it infected. He just has a little cut. He was bleeding just a little bit, but he's a puppy. He's gonna be a big dog, so I'm not really worried about it. He seems to like I told you, he likes playing with the big dogs, and if a dog doesn't like him, he likes him even more. If a dog really doesn't want him to mess with him, this guy's gonna try to make him play with him for no reason. So it's pretty much his fault for getting bit. So. But yeah, he's fine. He's okay. He just has a little cut on his ear. It didn't puncture through the entire ear, so he's good. Just a little cut. But yeah, we're on our way home at the moment. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys smash that like button. If you guys did fuck with me, make sure you hit that sub button. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.